highest paid careers. Management का हिस्सा होता है consulting, where people are paid by the hour. Their salaries are per hour. That से graduation करूँ तो मेरा career path कैसे चलेगा? Let me show you how a typical career chart goes for a student who studies management. So here is a girl called Shifra. She passed out her BBA from a good college in year 2010. Now, typically, a BBA graduate from most of good colleges in North India, उनका career graph ऐसे ही चलता है typically. और ये average students का career graph है. So how does it go? Assuming Shifra ने 2010 में BBA पास किया, so she starts her career as a management trainee in some company. सारे BBA graduates को as a management trainee in job किया जाता है. 18-20 हजार के starting salary पे, which is industry standard. Then she works very well in this company for 1 year, and in 2011 she is promoted as assistant manager. MNCs में assistant manager salary is something like 30-35,000. This is true for 90% cases. This will solve your query कि management में पढ़ाई के बाद careers कैसे चलते हैं. And then she works really hard और 4 साल बाद graduation पूरा करने के 4 साल बाद 2014 में she is made manager by the company and her salary now is 60 to 75,000 rupees a month, which is normal pattern for an MNC manager. Now Shifra is smart and she plans her career और नौकरी करते करते she completes her executive MBA program from some college, and because of this इसकी बदौलत उसकी कंपनी उसे एक और प्रमोशन देती है. She is made an associate vice president. By 2018, 2010 में graduation करने के लगभग 8 या 10 बरस के बाद, this girl Shifra, who was an average student, is earning 1.5 lakh rupees a month. It is typically how career progresses in the field of management. And after this, it all will depend on your talent. So this is the answer to a question कि management में career progression chart कैसे चलती है. I hope you got this. This is industry standard. ऐसे ही होता है. Okay. Now another big question is ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why this? If you actually look at the course curriculum of normal graduation degrees versus these new courses, you see the entire focus in the new courses is towards preparing a professional जिसको 3 साल बाद नौकरी करनी है. Whereas in traditional degree programs, the entire focus is on passing an exam जिसकी बदौलत हमको एक डिग्री मिलेगी. Similarly, the difference is in the way students are taught. The way students are taught. In good institutions, जो समझते हैं कि system किस तरह से चलना चाहिए, they make sure their students get a lot of industry interface. For example, marketing का subject अगर एक टीचर पढ़ाएगा आपको तो there will be a syllabus और टीचर को वो syllabus complete करना है. लेकिन यदि आपको marketing वो मैनेजर समझाए आगे जो नेस्ले के लिए या कैडबरीज के लिए सेरेलैक की मार्केटिंग करता हो या मैगी की मार्केटिंग करता हो, तो आपको ये बताया जाएगा कि किस तरह से मैगी की पोजीशनिंग की जाती है मार्केट में, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं, हम किन किन स्लॉट्स को बुक करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टेलीविजन पे, व्हाट आर द टारगेट सेगमेंट्स, व्हाट आर द टारगेट ग्रुप्स एंड व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस. दिस इज नोन एज केस स्टडी बेस्ड पेडागॉजी. IIMs में ये फॉलो किया जाता है. थ्योरी कम पढ़ाई जाती है और रियल लाइफ केसेस ज्यादा पढ़ाए जाते हैं, जिसकी बदौलत स्टूडेंट्स तैयार हो जाते हैं रियल लाइफ केसेस के लिए. So this was about graduation. Okay, now I'll take 10 minutes and then I'll invite Agarwal ji on the stage and Vanna, who is here. They will share their experiences about the field of chartered accountants. And then I'll invite somebody from PPIMT. They will come here and they will tell you about what are the value additions they have done to their graduation programs, which they told me in the morning that they are going to launch this year. They said we are starting a program called TVN this year. which is directly linked